everyone, I am here to demonstrate the technique for burping the baby. So let's start. But before that, we need to take a proper hygiene first. Take a rubbing alcohol. Then after that, you need to take a clean towel. Put on your shoulder. Then gently take the baby. Pat the baby on your shoulder and chest. Make sure he is breathing. Then hold her buttocks and use arms and back. Then use your dominant hand to gently and firmly punch her back. You can massage her back to being gently burper. After that, when the baby is burping, you need to pat her again and go to sleep. This is the technique to burping a baby. So thank you.